Foundation vent and access door pest proofing must be planned into new home construction to prevent rodents, insects, and small wildlife from entering the crawl space. Start by specifying heavy-duty mesh screens for all foundation vents and cut them to fit so the mesh overlaps the opening by at least 1 inch on all sides and is fastened with corrosion-resistant screws and washers. Choose mesh with no larger than 1/8 inch openings for rodent and insect exclusion, and use stainless steel or galvanized welded wire for durability in wet soils. For access doors, select lockable doors with continuous compression seals and a recessed threshold so the seal compresses evenly when closed. Apply high-quality weather stripping to the frame and replace it if it shows flattening or gaps. During rough grading, make sure vent openings sit above final soil grade by at least 2 inches and use gravel or a concrete splash strip to prevent soil contact that can wick moisture and allow burrowing access. Schedule a post-construction inspection at 3 months and then every 6 months to check for damage, loose fasteners, or evidence of gnawing, and press a thin rod into seams to detect hidden gaps. When addressing active wildlife, work with exclusion best practices by installing one-way exclusion devices on openings so animals leave but cannot return, and only remove these devices after at least 3 days of zero activity. Common mistakes include using lightweight plastic screens that rodents easily chew through, so replace these with heavy-duty metal mesh and anchor it to the structure with sheet metal flange or backer boards. Another mistake is relying solely on paint or caulk that degrades in ultraviolet light and moisture. Use weather-rated adhesives and mechanical fasteners, and inspect seals periodically to reseat or replace weather stripping. Finally, many builders set vents at or below final grade, allowing burrowing access, raise vent openings above soil grade, and install a graded barrier of compacted gravel or concrete to maintain clearance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and offers contractor listings that make it easier for professionals to find work related to foundation pest proofing. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, product recommendations, and inspection checklists.